the person who got me interested in doing creative gift wrapping was my mother-in-law. And it was mainly because her birthday falls on December 21st, and for most of her childhood, whenever she got birthday presents for her birthday, they were always Christmas type presents, and they were always wrapped in Christmas paper, and it really bothered her as she got older. And so I decided to send her presents that were special for her birthday during the Christmas season. So it's all her fault that I do this. And I always find her some special wrapping paper. You should consider doing that too if you know somebody who's born on Christmas or a day before or a day after. You should consider making it a special occasion because birthdays are very special as well. This paper is just lovely and I couldn't resist it. It's just roses on a white background, and I found what I think is going to work. We'll try it and see. A brown ribbon to go with it, and I've got some fake roses that may go on it. I don't know yet, but I will. I'll try to make it special for her. All right. I'm just going to do some regular gift wrapping now. I don't do anything fancy. By the way, while I'm thinking about it, I really do like the paper that's lined on the back. It makes this whole process a lot easier. Beryl, this is your birthday present. I think you're really going to like it. She's going to like it. I've got some ribbon here. It is a 1.5 inch wide ribbon. It is kind of a velvet texture. It's brown and it's wire edged. I prefer working with wire edge ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put like a line of ribbon around it. I like that color. Okay, now let's set that aside and let's make a bow to go with it. This is my deluxe easy bow maker. Let me turn that around and show it to you. I've had this bow maker for as many years as I've been wrapping presents for Beryl, my mother-in-law. And I must say I really love it. It is really useful and it makes big fluffy bows and it saves me all kinds of money on bows. Make the tail, and what did I decide? I decided that maybe I wanted the bow to come out, make it about a 6-inch bow, meaning 3 inches on either side of these pegs. They give you little inch marks on here so you can measure it. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe about 6 inches wide. My mother-in-law, Beryl, is such a sweetheart. She lives near Nottingham, England. She does all kinds of crafting. And she does lace making, as you might expect if you know anything about Nottingham. They do a lot of lace making there. And some tatting. And her lace work often includes little tiny seed beads that she's worked in. She works with really thin thread and just works it in there. And if there is any mistake, she notices and she takes the time to go back and fix it. Which to me it just takes an incredible amount of patience. And I just find it to be very, very amazing. She also does crochet. She does knitting. She has little doll houses. She's got, like, last time I was there, she had 3 doll houses, all of different sizes. And she had one that she decorated as a craft store with little bolts of fabric. And oh my gosh, it's astounding. and they just turn out to be adorable. She's so talented. Okay, so that's kind of that, and you know, and that works, and it will look better once it's on the package. So, because I am going to use this little hat pin, well, it's not a hat pin, it's a pin like a brooch, but it's shaped like a hat. I'm going to go ahead and put this so that there's enough room to put that pin that I found on it, on the ribbon, which is kind of a neat trick. You can do this with all kinds of pins, and I'll be doing this with some Christmas presents. I kind of had thought that maybe I would use some of these roses. I don't like to mess around with the little wimpy wire cutters, so I just use these. See, those come off really quickly with these. You get little bitty ones, and I kind of place them where I'm going to want them in the long run. The next thing to do is to attach them. Move everything out of the way, and I tape it down. Really, quite a bit of the time when you're doing this for somebody, it doesn't really have to be perfect, but it's obvious that you've put some special thought into it for the person that you're giving it to. And that oftentimes means as much, if not more, than the gift that you've actually just wrapped to give to them. It's kind of amazing how that works. This will add just a splash of color that'll be really nice. Like I said, I'm going to be shipping this off to England. Usually I let my mother-in-law know that, and she's learned this by now, that by the time that it goes through the postal service in this country and in hers, there's a good possibility she's going to need to reshape the bows, which I think she likes doing. I don't think she minds that at all. Okay, and there you go. I think that's good. I think we can ship it like this. So what do you think? Do you think you can do this at home? I bet you can. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and hit the subscribe or notification button. I can't remember which one it is that's below. And that way you'll be notified when I come out with other videos that'll help inspire you and to help make your gift giving memorable.